Hi everyone, I'm super excited to show you how to use X Platform, our data intelligence platform that transforms your data, fast and simple. Let's get started. First of all, X Platform easily unifies and pieces your data together in one place. So you can visualize everything on different charts to give you more ideas of what your data looks like. When you can see everything together, you can connect better with your data. Let's keep it simple to help you see results. Okay, let's see this super fast setup in less than 1 minute. Fast and simple. Let's sign in to get started. First, you'll see the dashboard, and there are 2 sample charts to give you some idea about how your data will be displayed. Just feel free to delete or edit those charts. We'll come back here once we finish setting up the data and sending it to this platform. Okay, let's go to Schema under Data Settings to create your data source. Now, click on the Add Source button. You can give it a name like Insight. Next, put your description here. We'll call it Data Collection Type A. You can add your data here. Then set the type of data. Under each data source, you can add multiple kinds of data. And if you want to add more data, simply click the Add Data button. And when you're finished, click Create. Okay, let's go to the dashboard. Add charts. Click the Add Chart button on the top right. Or you can edit existing charts if you'd like. Next, click on Choose Source. You can choose the source we just created called Insight. Go ahead and click on it. Then choose your chart type here, for example, line chart. For the time range, we'll use real time. Then we'll choose the axis. We'll choose timestamp and next, and go ahead and click both of them. Once you set up your data schema, you'll be able to see it on your dashboard. But for now, you can't see your data since it hasn't been sent to the platform yet. So let's see how to send the data to X Platform. Go to API Document under Data Setting and find the data source we just created. Okay, we named it Insight and the description Data Collection in Type A. First of all, you should be able to see the API endpoint and key on the top corner of the right-hand side. You can use this in your codes for data sending, and we follow the Open API standard, which should look familiar to most developers. You can also send data on this page by clicking Try It Out and input some data and then press the Execute button. Then you'll see the response here. Or you can paste the code that uses curl to your terminal and execute it. Now, once this is done, go ahead and check your dashboard. Let's just send more data. Okay, you should be able to see your data. Now, you can not only visualize, but also monitor all of your data all in one place. And we're done. Fast and simple data transformation. At this point, you're ready to set up notification rules and customize your dashboard. Be sure to check out our videos to learn more about advanced features. Thanks for watching. See you next time.